What up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. And today, we talking about the Jordan 14 Supremes. And if you ain't new to the channel, you know Supreme is my thing. The Nike Supreme got those. Sneaker Notes got those. Securing them both. Welcome to Sneaker Notes. Sneaker Notes if we talking about kicks. From the locks to the Band-Aids, Jordan 14 Supremes. Let's get into it. Sneaker Notes. What's good, y'all, man? If you're new to this channel, please go down there, hit that subscribe button. Looks just like a Supreme box logo right there at the bottom. Hit the subscribe button so you can check in with your boy from time to time. Today, we're going to talk about the black and blue pair of the Supreme Jordan 14s. And the reason I went with this pair is because I couldn't get with that white pair. I really didn't like it, and I knew these ones I would put on foot before I would put the other ones on. And when these came, they actually were more than my expectations. Like, this is a cold sneaker, man. The white ones wasn't bad. I'm not saying they were bad. I'm just saying they wasn't for me. I mean, they all got their similarities, but this colorway, this color blocking, I thought was like way better to me than the white ones. But no further long talk, man. Let's get into the review. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Bam. Got these straight from Supreme. And what I think is super dope about Supreme is that even when you buy online, they still include the bag as if you walked out the store with them, and some box logo stickers, which is always super dope, man. Shout out to Supreme for that. I always say I got one of the best online websites. Like, it's hard for bots. They ship instantly. Super dope, man. So right here, this is super dope. If you know a regular Jordan 14 box, you know it looks just like this, but it's silver, has that platinum in it. I love the way they put their own spin on it. Got your Jordan man there, Supreme box logo there. Size 10.5. Y'all know what that means. They belong to me. And you know, your regular Nike, swoosh, Air, all those symbols there like the classic Jordan boxes used to come with. So, classic Jordan 14 box, Supreme just put their little spin on it. Oh, real quick, before we get into the unboxing, that ain't the only thing I brought from Supreme. You already know they also had the ODB situation in north from Brooklyn, and so was ODB. So I went and copped the hat, man. I think Supreme is super dope at what they do, man. They had the shorts, they had the shirts, but the shirt was like a jersey look I didn't like. But I had to cop the hat, man. You know, Old Dirty Bastard, ODB, Wu-Tang, Brooklyn finest, man. So I had to cop this too. Now, back to the sneaker. Flip open the lid. Got your black tissue paper. I always say Jordan needs to bring this black tissue paper back, man. And here we go, man. Get that hang tag out the way. Here we go, man. Your Jordan 14 black and blue pair, Supreme. Now off the bat, I was asked by a viewer, do you feel like Supreme and Jordan is collabing too much? Yes, I do. But long as they keep it iconic, I don't care. And granted, it ain't been Supreme and Jordan. It's been Supreme and Nike. Supreme and Nike SB Gothos came out. Showed y'all those a while back. Just the top of the year, we had the Supreme Tailwinds. Didn't really care for either color. But again, I felt like the black and blue pair was the best color. With the Supreme Gothos, I feel like the red pair was the best. In that comment section below, rate them for me. Let me know which ones y'all think is the best out of these and the white ones and the tailwind ones that came out earlier. But back to the shoe. Off the bat, y'all know I hate hang tags, but this one is needed. This is a super dope hang tag. Right here you have your Jordan man, but in the background it says Supreme. The other side, it's just a regular classic black Jordan man. Very dope. Not too heavy like the classic hang tags like i.e. the Jordan 4s. Very light hang tag, but definitely when I'm rocking it, I'm taking it off. Now, this is the problem right here. When we first seen pictures of that, I didn't know if it was Swarovski. I didn't know if it glittered. I think it's super dope. These metal studs right here, it's not really that bad as I thought when I first seen the sneaker. It actually gives the sneaker flavor. It makes it look like a dope a motorcycle jacket, like a black leather motorcycle jacket, which is dope because if you know Jordan, the Jordan 14s are made after a Ferrari. So give Supreme credit for that, man. I thought this kind of like was gonna throw it off, but it didn't. Your toe box has that nubuck suede. Definitely great material. Definitely great material. Your baby Jordan, which y'all know I hate. I hate it on the low Jordan 11s, but on the 14s, fits it perfect, man. I want y'all to really see that metallic blue look. Telling you, when I got these out of the box, man, I really felt like the pictures didn't do it justice. This metallic blue look is super dope. It's not a blue that you see all the time. It's not a royal. It's not a game royal. It's not a navy. It got a metallic sparkle to it. On your tongue, you got your Supreme right there. And on the back, of course, 14 and numeral numbers. You come around this leather right here, it's plush leather, guys. Plush leather. No tumble, but it's plush leather. Right here, you got more Supreme markings with a baby Jordan, man. Let's come around. You still got more studs. This stud right here, like, emulates the shark teeth you have on the front. You come around, you got your 23. That Supreme Boss logo fits right in the middle of the Jordan branding. Super dope, man. It comes with one of these that we don't know what's the reason for. Regular Jordan shoe tree. Doesn't say Supreme on it. And your inside is red with a Supreme logo and a Jordan man. And this is how your left shoe look, or your Supreme 14 Air Jordans. Now let's grab the right shoe, just make sure everything adds up. Now a quick look, everything adds up, except for having a hang tag on this one. They give you some of those blue shoestrings. Now me personally, nothing's wrong with the black ones. The black ones fits perfect, blends in with the sneaker, classic Jordan 14 look. I would stay with the black ones, but shout out to them for giving us these blue ones. Super dope. Now again, in my opinion, the white ones aren't bad, y'all. They aren't bad. But these blue and black ones are cold, man. In the comment section below, let me know what y'all think about these. Do y'all think they better than the original? Because I think that's the reason why a lot of people wanted the white ones, because they look more closer to the original Jordan 14. But sometimes you gotta go out the box, especially when you got a collab. So like I told you, I got these straight from Supreme. This is the first time ever I won a sneaker pass at Nike. First time ever, y'all. Could y'all believe that? And I don't know if I'm gonna pick them up. I got till 8 o'clock today. It's not that I don't want to double up on this pair. It's that $248 price tag. I know a lot of y'all like, where does the 48 come from? Where does the 8 come from? Well, if you rock Supreme, or if you know about Supreme, all they prices in with an 8. So usually for the hats that y'all see me rocking in these videos, those hats are 48 or 58, sometimes 68. The sweatshirts, the hoodies are usually 148. The sweats 178. The book bags 158. So Supreme always ends with an 8 and 8 price. So I figure that's why the $258 price tag here. And I'm not mad at the price tag, but it's up there. But given the leather quality of the shoe, the metal studs, the extra shoestring, the hang tag, I'm kind of with them. So I don't know, man. It's still in my mind. After I edit this video, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna go down there to Manhattan and pick up that second pair. I'm not sure if I need to double up, but you never know, man. Never know. But back to the sneaker. For some reason, a lot of Jordan 14s are scheduled to come out this year. I haven't done my research. Jordan 14 is not one of my favorite sneakers. But I know the 22nd, these come out. I already had a plug to get them like right now. But I'm not sure if these going to sit or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait on them. I'm definitely going to give you out a review. It just might not be a super duper early one because I'm unsure of these sneakers. Besides these Jordan 14s right here, y'all already know the only other Jordan 14 that I love is the Jordan 14 Last Shots.
Championship number 6. Jordan, open, Chicago with the lead.
Now I did have the candy canes, but I actually sold them because I still didn't get a chance to un-DS these. And I knew I wasn't going to un-DS these before I un-DS the candy canes, so I let the candy canes go. But these are the Last Shots. Now let's bring a Supreme back. Boom. So again, man, I feel like the blue and black pair tumbles over that white pair. Again, in that comment section below, please let me know what pair you think is best. Compared to the Last Shots, nothing different, but probably your Supreme situation. No different. I wonder how people would have felt if they'd have made a red and black pair with the studs. I don't know, man. But again, this your boy Sneaker Notes. Supreme Jordan 14s. 248. It's up to y'all, man. In that comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about these, man. On foot today, actually, I could have put these on foot today. But on foot today, I got on the classic Jordan 1 Royals. One of my favorite Jordan 1s. These ones I done creased the most, I done wore the most, and which is crazy because I wear a lot of red and black. But whenever I throw on blue, I have a reason to put those on. I got on the Jordan 1 Royals on foot. In the comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot today. Please subscribe, please like. Let me know how y'all feel about these Jordan 14s. And do y'all think I should get the white ones to compare them to see which one is better? But I really, really like these, and I doubt that the white ones could change my mind. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, signing out. Get rich. Finish off the block, then I make my mall rounds. Haters red nosing, I'm making them all clowns. New edition chain, the diamonds is all round. Price I paid for it is higher than Bobby Brown. I'm catching flights and they catching feelings. Hold up, I'm catching. Know the vibes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks. I know the vibes.